Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Everyai token. Name of the token is Everyai, ticker symbol is EAI, and this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 1st, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. EAI is the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. Everyai, all one word, is the name of the token. Right now they have 3,214 holders and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. And this token, it was just announced, will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 1st, 9 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Everyai, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So the listing is tomorrow, and then going on today, there is a Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 60,000 USDT. So Everyai is where the future of AI is decentralized, open, and powered by you. AI for everyone, power to everyone. Everyai is a decentralized AI service network that connects idle computing resources worldwide, like your PC, smartphone, or IoT devices, to provide low-cost, privacy-first, and open AI services. By combining DeepIn and AI agent technologies, Everyai empowers users to access, contribute to, and benefit from AI like never before. Whether you're an individual, a developer, or an enterprise, Everyai is here to make AI accessible, affordable, and ethical for everyone. Everyai is more than just a project, it's a movement to make AI accessible, community-driven, ethical. Whether you're contributing idle resources, building AI models, or simply using AI services, you're a part of the global effort to redefine the future of AI. Now, the technical architecture, Everyai's technical architecture is designed around the 3 core principles of decentralization, privacy, security, and intelligent collaboration, deeply integrating blockchain and AI tech to build low-threshold, secure, and scalable AI service networks. So the blockchain layer, the core functions are recording and verification, token incentives, cross-chain compatibility. The technical characteristics are low barrier of entry, censorship resistance. And number 2, we have the DeepIn layer, and the technical principles for that is dynamic matching and redundant verification. The technical characteristics, heterogeneous compatibility, green energy efficiency, And the AI agent, the technical principles are natural language interaction, context synchronization, privacy custody, and the technical characteristics, zero learning curve and personalized service. And then we have the privacy computing, and the technologies for that is the federated learning principles, cases. Then we have the encryption, the compliance, the trustless collaboration, and the developer ecosystem, which has the model as a service, federated fine-tuning, and low deployment barriers, long tail innovation. And we have here the tokenomics. 1 billion total supply, like I mentioned earlier. Now 50% of the tokens are allocated to community incentives for computing power and data. Ecosystem fund for developers, partnerships, gets 20%. 15% goes to the team and advisors. 10% of the tokens are allocated to the liquidity pool, and 5% goes to strategic partnerships. Now the token utilities for the AI token, you can pay for AI service fees like model calls or data annotation, purchase network resources for computing power, storage, stake to improve device computation, score, receive higher priority tasks. The use cases, number 1 is individual users, low-cost AI content creation. Number 2, enterprise clients, cross-institutional medical data collaboration. Number 3, developers, open source model ecosystem co-construction. Lastly, we have the roadmap here. It's a very lengthy roadmap, actually, but we'll try to go through the main points here. So, complete the BSC smart contract development, release basic AI agent functionality, integrate federated learning, start device onboarding, launch developer incentive program, establish Discord community, launch the mainnet, optimize AI agent features, release federated fine-tuning tools, expand device onboarding to video generation, collaborate with hardware manufacturers to optimize computing support, grow the user and developer communities, initiate DAO governance structure, then support IoT device integration, launch AI model marketplace, start industry expansion, long tail development of AI models, publish white paper 2.0, achieve user growth, governance token staking rates, increase device onboarding, begin global marketing expansion, advanced model training, launch ecosystem fund, support millions of concurrent devices, integrate quantum computing and edge AI tech, expand to 100 plus countries, promote global AI democratization, and perfect global governance structure. You can check out all of the information at everyai.gitbook.io. And you can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.